In this video, we are going to see how we can update the network drivers in Windows 10 or 11, because that is a main requirement that you need to keep your network drivers updated at all times in order to access or use internet properly. So here's what you can do to update that. So first of all, just go ahead and start device manager here, open this up. And once we have this open, just right click on any relevant driver that you want to update. I'll just take that example that I don't want to update right now because that disturbs my current internet connection. Just click on update drivers, but you can select the relevant one that you need to update. After that, just click on search automatically for the drivers. It will search the best drivers for you and get that installed. If you still face the problem, you can just click on search for update drivers on Windows Update and it will automatically find the latest driver for you. What else you can do is you can do the Windows Update altogether, and that should install or update all the drivers and other systems as well. Okay, after that, you can just right click on this and click on update driver. But this time you might want to consider this second option that says browse my computer for drivers. And if you have the downloaded driver either from a CD, you have the USB for the official driver, or you can get it from the website, that's best. Just get that from here, download it on the documents or any file location, and you can just browse through it. And otherwise, you can try a list of drivers that is already available and allowed with Windows 11. So just click on let me pick from the list. It will search for the best compatible drivers, but if you want to see the extensive list because you feel that the others might be relevant, you can just uncheck on that and you might see a lot of extensive list, but make sure you select the right one. You have the knowledge of that. Otherwise, just continue with the one that it is recommended as compatible. Just click on next and it will be updated. And if you're still facing the problem and you don't know how to download the relevant driver, you can just check the version of it. Just right click on that, click on the properties, just click on the drivers. You will see the driver version here, what kind of product it is, and you can type all of that on Google and you will find the relevant driver version. So hopefully you will find the relevant driver that is updated to the latest version this way. And that's best because you will get that driver directly from the manufacturer. And this is how you can update the drivers of the network devices. So I hope you found this video helpful. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.